thank you for taking the time to speak with us today.
You're very, very welcome.
Okay, so we're going to ask you some pātai, also known as questions today. Okay, so puha or watercress?
I will probably go both, but if I really had to make a choice, I would probably say puha.
Knew it.
Aye.
Justin Bieber or Lady Gaga?
Lady Gaga, because she's freaky and she's brought out new tikanga, so you know, I'm happy with that. Take it us to rua mano ma forward, the future.
Vegemite or Marmite?
I like Marmite, my kids like Vegemite, but I'm staying true to my family, and my mum brought me up on Marmite.
Coke or Sprite?
I'm going to go Coke straight there. Coke, I love Coke. I'm loving it.
Rugby or football?
Rugby, because my dad's drummed it in my hinengaro all my life, so I'm going to go rugby.
Okay, Benji Marshall or Sonny Bill Williams?
Oh, I like them both. Do I have to pick?
Yes.
Benji Marshall. Sorry. Don't hate on me.
Okay. Don't worry, he's not going to see it.
Okay, great.
Coronation Street or Shortland Street?
I like Shortland Street, but for my nanny and for my mum, I will say Coronation Street.
Crusaders or Reds?
Crusaders! Aotearoa!
Yeah! What does Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori mean to you?
Oh, absolutely. That's a wonderful question. Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori means everything to me. Obviously, it's a part of our culture. We have just come back from a wonderful haka tour. So Te Wiki o Te Reo Māori, I love it. It's nearly over. Tears. Can't wait till next year.
Yeah! Can you please say me Māori mean into the camera for us?
Can both of us say it?
Okay.
Te rua toru. Me Māori mean.
Ka whai tora, Ms. Whaea Mana. Thank you for talking to us today.
Very, very, very welcome, guys.